Hello everyone, welcome to YUCa's Japanese cooking. There is Kengo over here. And then today I want to show you how to make sesame dressings. Japanese people love these dressings. And then guests from abroad, they also addicted to this recipe. And this recipe is very easy to make. This dressing makes the salad so different. And it adds a little bit Japanese flavor. If you are a sesame lover, this recipe is for you. So how about adding this dressing recipe in your list? So let's get started. Here are the ingredients. So at first, ground sesame with using Japanese style mortar and pestle. Then add the rest of the ingredients. I like brown rice vinegar, but rice vinegar is also good. And if possible, please use Japanese mayonnaise. Then mix all together. So sesame dressing is done. So let's start tasting. Now let's pour over the salad. Itadakimasu. So creamy and so tasty. I like these dressings. Thank you for watching everyone. How was the recipe today? I hope you liked this recipe and then recreate again at home. See you next time. Bye bye.